time to check on the allotment after storm. Is it Eunice or Eustace? I can't remember. Fingers crossed the polytunnel has survived. Here we go. Welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread. I thought I'd come down to the allotment today just to try and check on things, make sure things weren't too damaged after the storm. Is it Eunice or Eustace? I'm not quite sure. I can't get the name in my head as to which one it is at the moment. I've had 2 in 1 week, so it's no surprise I can't remember the name of them. Bit of a well, not a shock, but I was expecting some damage to the polytunnel, but not quite what we're about to show you next. So brace yourselves. Well, it's not looking good. I'll show you in a second. I can see it from here. It's completely gone. At least it's not taking anybody else's stuff out. Well, it's a complete mess. Total disaster. I think I'll just have to tidy this up and use some bits for spare parts, but that's a complete goner. So yeah, here we go. Totally gone. They don't call them blow away polytunnels for nothing. I think I'll just take the, yeah, that's not good, is it? At least the shed's still standing. I'll take the fabric off. It'll not take anything else with it. The salads are all winter hardy stuff anyway. Oh well, totally gone. Tidy up time. The plants are okay. Oh, you've got some carrots still. Tidy up. Let's see what the damage is. I don't think we'll be filming inside there anytime soon, which is obviously a shame, but only to be expected with these somewhat cheap and cheerful polytunnels. I had hoped that I'd put that one down quite securely, but I think the 2 storms we've had in the space of a week and the weather we've got at the moment, there's just no way that was going to survive those winds that we had. In fact, even today they're talking about tornado warnings. So unfortunately, chalk that one down to experience and get that one tidied up. I've taken the cover off. As you can see, some stuff's not going to make it. I'll just have to let it fare as far as it can. Might take the cover from over there and maybe see if I can cover it up, but yeah, not brill. Potatoes won't make it, I don't think, without the polytunnel. And I'm not going to buy one just for now to put it up in this weather. I think it's probably something we'll leave till the weather gets better. But I can't. Oh, better go and save that. Window's gone in on the shed. Typical. That's gone as well. Oh, roof's gone on the shed as well. Yeah, next door's not looking so good either. The little green blowaway's gone away as well. Yeah, it's a real shame, but it's going to happen. I know that the back poles had sheared off as in the first storm we had. And yeah, you can see here, that's where it's sheared off here. These have been, this is the end that clearly gets the most brunt of the wind. It's just completely torn apart. I suppose on the plus side it allows me to get at the bed and build them properly, and maybe see if I can actually get something a bit more heavy duty together. But I'll try and get this stuff inside the shed, tidied up a bit. It's not going to do any more harm. I'll have to get it pulled to pieces, and then we can make it safe. But for now it'll be alright, there's no risk of it impaling anybody. But I'll get this tidied up now and see what the potatoes look like. So these are gone now. Maybe I'll just leave them. Those lettuces are alright. Those radishes look good. We'll, I think, keep them in. Tidy these a little bit. Yeah, they're doing fine. Oh, they're great. Leave them. Leave those. Pak choy. Might be alright, might not. Winter density. The stuff at the end's not done so good, so we'll probably clear those. Well, let's see how they fare anyway. There's the carrots. I can't believe on these potatoes the fleece has stayed inside. There's nothing in that one. I've got one shoot coming through there. The water's actually weighed them down. There's some potatoes there. We'll leave them. They might just about survive, we'll see. But yeah, quite the carnage. Oh well. Like I say, they don't call them blow away polytunnels for nothing. Oh dear. Proper clean up job required. It wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't also twisted, because you could, in theory, if it wasn't all completely mangled, you could actually get some new polytunnel fabric. I don't think there's anything that's salvageable in it at all. Never mind. Very jealous of next doors. Theirs has come through okay. Now mine's a complete write-off. Never mind, eh? You see how much rain we've had? It's just not going in the ground at all. Ah, it's just pooling. Eggshell box. There's the field beans. They're looking great. At least they've cheered me up. They're looking good. I've got a few at the back of the house I can use to fill in that gap there. Shall we see what they taste like? Everyone says they taste like spinach. Very gritty, straight from the allotment. But yeah, it tastes spinachy. More beany than spinach, I'd say, but not a unpleasant flavour anyway. Yeah, I'll give them a go. Looking good though, very happy with those. They'll give me some green manure if nothing else. Very happy. Something to cheer me up after losing the polytunnel anyway. What I found here, mistake from last year was elephant garlic not bulbing up and dying off. I think these have come up again. Certainly didn't plant any here this time, this autumn, so that's unexpected. Might leave those, see how they develop. They're not looking too bad at all. Very happy. Celery, not so good. Perpetual spinach, looks like that's been stripped by pigeons or something. And over here we have our proper designated alliums, autumn sown, sets, red onion electric, it's not looking too bad at all. Some of them are coming up. Garlic romping away very nicely, and the elephant garlic, which I'd autumn sown here, really good. Very happy with those. Still some onions down here to push back in again with the damn birds. That elephant garlic's looking brilliant. Maybe a bit of rust on the tip there, maybe. That's looking nice. Looking really good. Plenty of garlic down there too. So, thank you for coming along to the plot today. You're going to help me tidy this up, because I don't think I can do this on my own. So any offers gratefully received. Just send us a suggestion in the comments for when you can pop down and give us a hand. They'll be much appreciated. Otherwise, I'd be grateful if you'd like. If you've liked the content from inside the rather blustery shed with some windows missing. If you want to keep up to date with any new videos and see how things come along once I've tidied this up, then please do subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, do pop them down below. Well, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with a slightly tidier plot. Bye!